Hey guys, do you play the game Cooking Fever? Well, today I'm going to show you guys how to download a modded version of Cooking Fever onto your phone, which gives you unlimited gems. So let me just turn on the unlimited gems and let's see if it goes up. So these are my current amounts, and you can see that it's nothing to talk about. But let's see if our gems go up on Cooking Fever. So as you can see, guys, really bad, but hopefully they start going up. So bang, guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Cooking Fever hack for your device. It works on iOS and Android. So I'm going to show you how to download it. It's super simple. So the first step is going to be going into the browser, and then I just want you to type tweakmod.com. So on this site, I want you to type Cooking Fever and then just press install, and before it downloads there's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. Basically you just need to download like 2 apps and follow the instructions. They're 100% free, also from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it, so let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so yeah, it shouldn't take that long, so let's just give it a second for this to load up. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. So if you play Cooking Fever, you know that it's pretty hard to get money in the game, so this is a surefire way to get rich. So let's just see what happens, guys. It's going to load up right now. So as you can see, it says missing files, so you just want to download 2 of these apps. Doesn't have to be the same ones as me, but you can see Family Island says reach level 11. It's a game, so I could download that. Underdog Fantasy says down in for 30 seconds. I could do that. Winzo Play, you guys pay for something, I think, but maybe don't do that one. But yeah, just do 2 of them, guys. You got Lucky Match, you got Reach Level 11. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that is how to get the Cooking Fever hack for your device. Super awesome.